my favorite juice here. My bro is juice expert. Juice specialist. Are you juice specialist? Are you juice specialist?
Yeah.
It's good, man. Juice is good. Juice is healthy. Alright, man. Let's go. This is how you do it.
Alpukat, no S?
Huh?
Alpukat,
Yes, yes,
no
yes.
S. No S with S.
Eggs?
S.
S?
S.
What is S? Ice, no ice, no,
No
ice.
ice.
No. Wow, this is huge avocado, man. What the hell? Check this out. Hello. You want to say something to my subscribers?
Hello.
Please subscribe,
Subscribe?
like, comment, and share.
Oh. You heard him, yeah? You do that. You lazy guys. You never subscribe to me. Usually I order delivery from this guy. But today I came in person. You don't watch TikTok? No TikTok?
Oh, TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
You watch Instagram?
Yes.
Yes? Reddit?
Yes.
Reddit?
What?
No. No TikTok here. Here TikTok or no? Yes? Can we see? Let's see. Ah, you have TikTok, okay.
Yes.
TikTok he has. Alright, man. So when you ride, driving, you listen to music or no? You just riding?
Maybe listen music or just ride.
Just ride. Okay. All day ride. All day. Yeah. Alright, man. It's cool.
What is your TikTok?
I don't have TikTok.
Oh, don't have.
No.
You don't have. Don't have.
I don't like TikTok. I only like YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yes, only YouTube.
Where's your YouTube?
You want to subscribe to me?
Yes.
It's very. I have like 2 million now. 2 million subscribers.
I want to see your content.
I need like 2,000,001.
What's your name?
Okay, it's I W R L D. WRLD. And when is my juice coming? It's coming soon. Ah, it's ready.
Strawberry.
Ah, cool. And avocado is coming.
Alpukat.
Nice. Waiting for avocado. This will be my breakfast. This is my breakfast today. Breakfast. You can subscribe yourself. This is my video, and my channel. This one. Yeah. If you want, you can subscribe. You know, but and I lied. I don't have 2 million. I have just 200. 200, man. But.
Oh, your new content.
New content, but 200 2 million. What is the difference? No difference. It's the same. It's not. Yeah, just 200. So no one will see you. Don't worry. Okay.
This.
Baju biju, yeah. Gambu biju.
Yeah. Mix alpukat mix.
Yes,
Jambu
man, this is the best.
Yeah.
This is the best
strawberry.
stuff. This avocado mixed with papaya. This is mine too. Guava, yes,
Guava.
yes, guava. Thank you, man.
Okay.
Yes. All right.
Tomorrow?
So how much?
42.
42 for 2 kilograms tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sorry.
sounds good. That's the vibe in laundry in Bali. You just give it to them, they do it for you. You don't have to do anything. Beautiful. Hello, what are you eating? What is this?
Bakso.
Bakso?
Yes.
It's good? Soup?
Soup. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Soup. Bakso.
Fish?
Apa telur bahasa Inggris? Fish.
Fish? Seafood.
Yes, seafood.
Oh, wow. Oh wow.
That's
Okay.
Your name.
My name. Time.
Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy your meal. Bon appetit. Okay. Bye. Oh. I decided to stop in one of this typical Balinese neighborhoods to enjoy my water. No, this is strawberry juice. Oh, it's not that sweet actually. And yeah, look at that. This is it a house or is it a temple? I have no idea. Maybe it's both. I still haven't figured this out. So that's a typical Balinese neighborhood. Like this only? Hot. Okay. Yeah. Hot. Yeah. No, this hot. Yeah. Apple pie. Yeah. McDonald's in Bali. McDonald's in Bali. The price I had to pay for using the toilet. Bro, look at this, so small. Bali. Your apple pie small. It tastes good though. I'm in Alpha Mart, the equivalent of 7-Eleven in Bali. I have no idea all the products they have here. Like, I don't know. Oh, I know this one, but the majority I have no idea. I know this one too, but look at that. Like Next Star, Thai Special Gandum. What is this, man? What should I take for my snack? No idea. So lost. Alpha Mart. Check this out, man. What a place. What a vibe. Tried one of these. It's crazy drink. But I didn't. It wasn't that, nothing special. Just a drink. You can get like this type of sandwiches here. There's chocolate inside. There's mocha, different flavors. I'll take this milk tea. I've been addicted to it. It's nice. Out of curiosity, I'll take this really interesting looking can. By the way, interesting thing about Bali is guys here, they wear skirts too, just like in Scotland. Yeah, it's just juice, normal juice, nothing special. It's halal, by the way, if you were wondering. It's like strawberry, because it has a strawberry flavor.